As we enter 2021, the country closes the door on the deadliest month of the pandemic.
Now, experts warn gatherings over the holidays could contribute to another surge. This all as healthcare workers on the front lines receive their first doses of the vaccine.
7 Action News reporter Rudy Harper spoke with doctors and nurses about their experience and their message.
Well, it's been 17 days since the first vaccines rolled out, and there's still skepticism among healthcare workers as we are on the cusp of turning the tide in this pandemic.
While the end is in sight, the pandemic is not over, and the U.S. just saw its deadliest month yet. More than 77,500 COVID-19 deaths were reported in the U.S., and the state of Michigan expected to set the second highest monthly death total since the pandemic began.
The symptoms range from people who have very mild symptoms to needing intubation. So it was frightening in that it was so new.
April Lewandowski is a nurse treating COVID-19 patients at Ascension in Macomb. She's hopeful after receiving her first dosage of the vaccine.
I really wanted to be among the first because I felt like maybe I could inspire some of the younger nurses. And I did. I had a nurse who was on the fence about getting the vaccine, and he said, I inspired him. If I could do it, he could do it. And he actually got his vaccine.
As frontline workers battling the pandemic in Michigan roll up their sleeves, the CDC reports more than 330,000 healthcare workers across the country contracted COVID-19, and over 1,100 have died. It's one reason Dr. Shahjahan got the vaccine.
I got the vaccine to protect myself, to protect my family. I've got elderly parents, and to protect my patients and community.
Dozens of those in healthcare are sharing the reason for vaccination to the public. This worker says she got the vaccine to stem the tide of the virus. She went on to write, "Too many people gone too soon." And this medical professional says, hopefully, this is the beginning of the end of COVID-19.
We can do this for the greater good.
And we know these healthcare workers who received the vaccine will be getting their second doses in the coming days and weeks. In Detroit, I'm Rudy Harper, 7 Action News.
All right, Rudy, thank you.